So pay good is where I have a yud as the first letter of my shoresh, okay? What did we say last time, in the last unit? What happens to these yuds? They turn into bugs, okay? They turn into bugs. Because why? Historically, except for 7 pay yud shoreshim, they all started out as bugs, okay? So Vashav, right, Washav was originally what? Yashav. Originally, so Yashav was Washav or Vav Shin Bet. How about Vav Dal and Ayin is real, today we would know it as Yada, and Vav Lam Dal being Yala. Okay? So historically, right, this is how it was said, and we changed it for Kal. It wasn't changed for Niphal, we saw this last unit, no Dati. Right, the church is Yada. So we have the same thing for Niphal future tense. What's Yibada? What's my shoresh? My church is Yada. Okay, so my yud flips to my vav, but I still have my why do I have an egg here? Where did my egg go? Because of my ayin, right? My ayin got, this concept. But I would have if it was yivaleid. What does yivaleid mean? He will be more. Good. Okay, so let's look at 23. Let's do this in action. What's by yivaleid? My church is yavad. Right? It's Niphal and my E-I-A. So does it mean he was born at Erod. Erod was born at the Erod Yalad at Niphal. What's Erod Yalad at Niphal? Erod birth. Niphal. So it's complicated, right? Because Erod is a male. Right? So how can he give birth? And you know how today, like when someone has a baby, right? So you don't always say, Cynthia had a baby. Sometimes you say, oh, Johnny, did you hear he had a baby? Right? So even today we talk that way. Okay, look at 24. Vayivaldu. What's Vayivaldu? They were born, what's low? To him. Shib'at banim. 7 sons, Shalosh banot, and 3 daughters. So 7 sons and 3 daughters were born to Pio. And look at 25. Min oivai, from my enemies, Ivad Shea. So what's my shoresh of Ivad Shea? Shin ayin. So I will be saved. So notice there are 2 things that happen here, right? My yud, right, turns back to its original vav, right? And my ayin got that patach back. So from my enemies, I will be saved. Also notice that my aleph, instead of getting a segel, like almost virtually every textbook puts, right, I get the chiyuk. I still keep my E-I-A, okay? Look at number 26. So my shoresh is what? Yotav resh, right? What's yoter? What does it mean in Niphal? It means remain. So Yaakov remained libado by himself. He remains alone. Okay? Look at number 27. Vayivadah hadavar lemordechai. What's vayivadah? Correct? You got that? So, what's the matter was known to Mordechai by Yagin. Anyone know what by Yagin is?
Yeah, he testified.
So, what's Haggadah? He told over to Esther, the queen. Can you predict, without us learning the word Vayagin, we're going to learn it later in the semester, what's the shorsh of Vayagin? Can you predict it?
No.
Great, Nun Gimel Daled. Why? Because of the Dagish, okay? So we're going to get to it later in the semester, and I'm going to bring in actually a box of Haggadah brand cookies, and I'm going to show you. They totally messed up the way they put in the letters, because they don't actually cookies, okay? I wouldn't put our hopes up with the cookies because they're Passover cookies. They're not like,